Greetings, welcome to the channel, I'm Ready Set Go, and in this video we look at 8 of the best 125cc bikes for beginners in 2021. So you've started your journey into the world of motorcycling and you're probably wondering, what are the best bike options for me? With so many makes and models to choose from, it can seem quite daunting to find one that fits your needs exactly. And so today we're going to look at 8 of the best 125cc bikes for beginners in 2021. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, then please make sure to subscribe to see weekly motorcycle news, reviews and content. At number 8 is the KTM 125 Duke, arguably one of the best looking 125s there is, with legit supermoto styling. In 2017, the 125 Duke was updated with a new frame, styling, WP suspension, which is the same brand you'll find on the top Dukes in the KTM range, and upside down front forks. It also comes packed with a new colour TFT dash, which has smartphone connection options. This means you can access incoming calls and listen to music using the bike's display and switchgear controls on the handlebars. The KTMs are instantly recognisable with their orange livery and sharp looks, and the 125 Duke looks almost identical to its bigger siblings with the same LED headlamp styling as the 890. The machine also comes with Bosch ABS fitted as standard to bring you to a safe halt in those tricky situations. Priced at £4,299 and available in traditional orange and also a grey colour scheme, the KTM is a fresh, awesomely styled 125cc beginner machine from an established brand that has real race pedigree. With LED lighting, a TFT dash and some useful rider aids, you can start your motorcycling journey and listen to your favourite music while you do it. Up next at number 7 is the LXR125 from Lexmoto. Out of all the bikes in this group, this one has to be the most cost effective. The LXR125 is the best selling 125cc sports bike in 2020 here in the UK and offers exceptional value backed by strong 5-star reviews from new riders on MCN. It is also now updated for 2021 with Euro 5 compliance, a boost in power, a 6-speed gearbox and a colour TFT display, something not found on any other sports 125cc motorcycle. With over 150 bikes sold every month during 2020, the LXR125 is the biggest selling sports bike of any capacity here in the UK. It looks the business and could easily be mistaken for Honda's popular CBR 650R with those striking lines and eye-catching headlights. Elsewhere, the bike boasts an Italian-style trellis frame, a radial front brake, and a tight-fitting exhaust. You can even add inverted adjustable front suspension forks and an aluminium swing arm for just £300 more. At just £2,499 and available in 3 colour schemes, this is a 125cc beginner bike at less than half the cost of the others in this list. Of course, the Lexmoto isn't as refined as the Yamaha or the KTM, and it produces a little less horsepower. But given this is just your first step into the world of bikes, does it matter? Chances are you might scuff it, drop it, do all the essential learning you need to do and then trade it in for a bigger bike within a year or two. Quite often, the word cheaper means, well, it's cheap. But in this case, the Lexmoto LXR125 is a legit option for young riders. You don't need to spend top dollar for a machine that can do nearly everything all the others can do, and for half the price. Just think, you could buy a Lexmoto LXR125 and 4 PlayStation 5s with the cash you would have spent on the KTM. Now for those wanting something exotic, in at number 6 is the Svartpilen 125 from Husqvarna. Based on the KTM Duke 125 already mentioned, the Husqvarna Svartpilen 125 offers rugged lines, brushed aluminium, and attention to detail. This is a 125cc motorcycle that looks mature, serious, a stylish beginner machine that will attract glances from passers-by as you ride through the town and not look out of place pulling up outside the office. Taking its design cues from the larger 401 and 701 machines, the Svartpilen features an LCD display, a steel trellis frame, branded WP front suspension, Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tyres, and premium LED headlamp technology. Priced at £4,499 and available in just a single dark paint scheme, the Svartpilen 125 offers beginners a more serious option for their first set of wheels. Less graphics and bold colours, and more moody styling and urban mystique. What is also worth noting is that Husqvarna are currently offering 0% finance on the Svartpilen 125, so if you are looking for a solid finance deal to get your first bike, check out the Husqvarna website for all the latest. Number 5 is brought to you by the Italian manufacturer Aprilia. This is the Tuono 125. If the Husqvarna Svartpilen 125 was all about subtle, moody vibes, the Tuono is the complete opposite. Sporty styling, loud colours, a high revving engine that comes into its element at 7,000 RPM. Taking its looks directly from its bigger brother, the Tuono V4 1100, this 125 version brings the big fight when it comes to handling, poise and sharpness. Wide, comfortable, upright handlebars and a rigid frame gives the bike a super agile feel. Upside-down front suspension forks, the kind you find on much bigger bikes, are ready to soak up the bumps, while front-wheel single-channel Bosch ABS is ready to bring you to a safe stop when you need it. Neat finishing touches such as premium braided brake hoses and even an optional gear quick shifter help make the Tuono 125 a genuine part of the Tuono dynasty and not just an afterthought. It also has an impressive 14.5 litre fuel tank for longer trips and an underseat USB socket to charge your phone while you are on the move. Priced at £4,399 and available in both red and black paint schemes, the Tuono 125, much like the KTM 125, offers riders a bike of real racing pedigree. If you lean more towards the Italian side of things, the Tuono 125 is your perfect first bike. For those wanting the big bike feel and tasteful looks, Honda's CB125R is the one for you. Part of Honda's Neo Sports Cafe range, the CB125R is a roadster that sits in a long line of awesome-looking CB motorcycles. Despite being down on power compared to some of the others in this group, the Honda feels beautifully balanced with a premium upside-down Showa front fork suspension setup. This kind of technology, which we're used to seeing on much bigger bikes, means that when you ride out of the town and hit the twisty roads, the CB will smooth things out and inspire you to lean into those corners. Elsewhere, the CB is equipped with premium LED lighting, an LCD dash, fantastic Honda build quality, and a lively liquid-cooled engine. Priced at £4,299 for 2021, the Honda undercuts quite a few of the other contenders in this group and is available in 4 colours including matte gunpowder black metallic, matte jeans blue metallic, candy camosphere red and pearl smoky grey. Overall, the CB125R is excellent value for money, giving you a big bike riding experience wrapped in a 125cc package. If you are looking for a cost-effective, solid commuter that will just keep on going, then the CB125F should be at the top of your list. Honda has a reputation for developing simple, reliable machinery that will do a job very well, and the CB125F is right up there as an affordable, conservative-looking commuter. Built on the successes of the CG125 in the 1970s, the CB125F has an air-cooled, fuel-injected 4-stroke engine, producing a modest 10 brake horsepower, but delivering an extremely fuel-efficient 120 miles to the gallon. Honda even says that the CB125F can cover 800 kilometers on a single tank of fuel, thanks to its enhanced smart power delivery. On top of that, the Honda features an LED headlight, LCD dash display, passenger grab rails, a center stand, and a low 775mm seat height that most of us can swing our leg over. Priced at £2,799 for 2021, the bike is available in 4 colours, including Pearl Sunbeam White, Candy Blazing Red, and Oinks Blue Metallic. All in all, the CB125 is designed conservatively, but built tough. This bike will want to keep on going in all weather, when you are needing to pull over and stretch your legs. For a solid, no-nonsense commuter, this is the pick of the bunch. For those wanting super sport, it doesn't get more sporty than the Kawasaki Ninja 125. Striking looks and Kawasaki pedigree means this 125cc delivers peak power at 10,000 RPM and handles like a big bike thanks to its progressive damping suspension and decent Dunlop tyres. ABS comes as standard, while a digital dash display presents all the rider information you'll need. While the Ninja doesn't have the connectivity or flashy displays featured on some of the other bikes, it's built and finished well and actually comes in cheaper than the Honda CB125R, KTM and Husqvarna. Priced at £3,899 for 2021, the Ninja 125 comes in 3 colours and is my pick if you're looking for an exciting, sporty way to start your motorcycling journey. And finally, at number 1, my overall favourite of this group, the Yamaha MT-125. With an aggressive triple LED headlight system at the front, the MT oozes dark, moody street power. Swing your leg over the MT and you're presented with an aggressive, hunched forward riding position with wide bars ready to slice through the traffic and carve up the roads. The 125cc Euro 5 compliant liquid-cooled engine is surprisingly torque-rich, meaning you can access power even when low down the rev range. There's no need to thrash this bike like you would the Kawasaki. The MT in the MT range stands for Master of Torque, and that label is evident in the 125 machine. The MT comes equipped with Michelin Pilot street tyres, a colour LCD dash, radial mounted front brake caliper, 41mm upside down KYB front forks, and a slip and assist clutch, meaning the lever feels super light compared to the others and will also handle aggressive downshifting by allowing the clutch to slip and absorb the forces working against the machine. This is proper big bike technology and impressive to see on a 125cc. There's even a factory-fit Akrapovic exhaust system option for you for those riders wanting a premium exhaust burble and growl. The MT-125 is priced at £4,649 and is available in 3 colours, including Storm Fluo, Icon Blue and Tech Black. Despite being the most expensive of this group, the MT, much like the Honda CB125R, offers riders a big bike feel and one that can give you many years of thrilling riding way after you have passed your test. Having owned several Yamahas in my time, I can vouch for the build quality and just how well the Japanese manufacturer puts its bikes together. The MT-125 is no different. This is a real rider's machine and would be my overall pick of this 125cc bunch. So there you have 8 125cc bikes perfectly aimed at riders looking to start their journey in the world of motorcycling. What do you think of this list? Are any of these bikes on your radar? Please drop a comment below and join the discussion. If you are new to the channel, then please make sure to subscribe to see weekly motorcycle news, reviews and content. And if you have found this video useful, please give a thumbs up to support the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. I've been Eddie Set Go. I hope you ride safe, stay safe. I'll see you next time.